Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Today's video is how to basically take a center star out of your other object. So we're just going to draw this 3D looking star. You don't really have to start in the middle, but whenever I make a star, I start with a 6-sided star and I hold down the control button, make it perfect, and then I hit P, and then I make it a 5-sided star. And what that did, if we look with indexing lines, I'm going to hit P, bring in these indexing lines. So that's the center of the star. But Corel is telling us the center of the star is right there. So that's off. So to do what we're going to do, we're going to take a 2-point line and we're going to go from that node to that node, and make sure you get on the nodes. That node to that node, that node to that node, that node to that node, and you see how they're crossing in the true center of the page. But that's not really what the video is about, and I'm a little bit off on one of them. I'm off on this one right here, so I'm just going to delete it and do it again. So take a 2-point line, make sure you go from node to node. Now they're all in the center. Now I'm going to take, and it is going to help us to be in the center of the page, I'm going to take our Smart Fill tool, and I'm just going to go ahead and use that blue on both sides. Now I'm going to grab that side, I'm going to get the Interactive Fill tool, and I'm going to go across here, and I'm going to put black. You know what? I'm going to go the opposite direction. I'm going to put the black on the other side. So I'm going to go this way and put black on the edge. And I'm going to bring that out more to the middle. Then I can take my pick tool and grab this side. And you could actually mirror that over, but it doesn't have to be perfect. So we're going to go here and add black to here. Now, I actually click the mouse button. Instead of doing that to all of them, what I'm going to do, I'm going to select this. I'm actually going to nudge it out of the way for just a second. And I am going to grab all this and Control D and make a duplicate, or didn't mean to do that. Control G to group it. That way I can delete it in just a second. Now I'm going to group these two together, Control G, and I'm going to nudge them back. Now I'm going to Control D and make a duplicate, and I'm going to use the hotkey Alternate C, and that put it to the center. Now there's 5, so it's 72 degrees. Control D, Control D, Control D. Now, I don't really have to get rid of the lines. As a matter of fact, I'm going to go ahead and move that out of the way. That way I can select this and hit delete. I must not have deleted them or grouped them all. Now I can put this back. Now I need to group this together, Control G. And I'm going to take another star or any object, make it 6-sided and hit P, and make it a 5-sided star. And then I'm going to select both of them, and I'm going to go back minus the front. And that took that star away. Let's take away our indexing lines. And you could put any shape in there. It could be a square, it could be a circle. And you could actually, if I would have left my lines, I could do another blue star here of a different color with the same interactive fill tool. I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.